Hello friends, happy Sunday. As you can tell by my voice, I am very under the weather. I have a bit of a cold, but a cold never stopped nobody. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Thank you for listening. I'm currently on my chair snuggling my pup because that's what I want to do. But I just got out of the shower and I figured, because I have things that I need to do today and I'm sick as a dog. Well, I'm really not that sick. I just don't feel good. I'm under the weather. I'm sick today, but I still have things I need to do. So I want to be presentable, but I don't want to sit down and like take the time and effort to do like a full face, but I still want to look good. Does that make sense? So I figured that I would show you guys my makeup when sick routine. I know that sounds weird, and I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that are like, why even bother? But I'm not going to do the whole shebang. I'm just going to do very minimal to make me feel and look presentable, but won't take a lot of time and effort. Does that make sense? Lego! Okay. Oh, God. Ugh. Okay. Ignore my makeup room if you can see it behind me. It's been a hot mess express since Christmas and all of that jazz. So, I already cleansed my face. Like I said, I just took a shower. So, I already prepped, I already exfoliated my skin, and then I already used my Belief Witch Hazel toner. I'll link that below as well. And so first I'm gonna apply some of my Belief moisturizing eye balm. This guy right here. It's my normal eye cream. I love this guy. I'll just take a little bit on each eye, like so. Oscar, stop. And I will take my ring finger. Your ring finger is the most delicate finger. This guy right here. So I'm going to pat that guy in. And then before I put my moisturizer on, I'm going to apply a few drops of the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. This guy right here. My skin when I'm sick is extra dry, but it's also winter time, so that's extra. I'm gonna apply this before my moisturizer. Just do one drop there, one drop there. I look like I'm crying. I'm gonna rub him in. Go in potty motions just to make sure it's really sinking in the skin. I'm gonna give him a little bit of time to sink in. Okay, so after my Drunk Elephant drops, I'm going to put on my Belief the True Cream Aqua Balm. That is this guy right here. Oh gosh. This is my moisturizer that I love. Take it down the neck and then I rub upwards with it. So soothing. So now I want to do a little bit of a concealer because my under eye bags are extremely dark, extremely awful since I haven't been getting that great of sleep. But I don't want to do something so full coverage so it just looks like I have a ton of makeup on. I still want to look very natural. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. This is in the shade 30 CP. This is the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer up to 24-hour wear. I love this guy. I love the foundation as well. It's relatively good. But this one is a little bit less coverage per se than like a Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm just going to dab this under my eyes. And I'm going to be blending that in with a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush. Just this Domi guy right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dot, 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 dot. I'll do a dot on my nose and on my chin. That way, under my eyes, in this area is all kind of matching, and I'm not just like it's not just like a blob of concealer under my eyes. So I'll do this, kind of do dabbing motions first, and then I will run it over my eye, and then I'll go in circular motions outward, blending that into the skin. I want to dab right under the eye because that's where I want most of the coverage, and then I will circular motions outward just to feather everything out. Again, dabbing, 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 dabbing over my eye, and then moving into circular motions, moving outward. Circular motions on my nose. I tend to get really red. When you're sick, I feel like everybody tends to, around their nose, get really, really red. So I like to do circular motions around my nose. Blending everything in, I'll do circular motions around on my chin, around my mouth, because that gets very red as well. As you can tell, my lips are very red. And then I will go to circular motions on my forehead. Not too much on my forehead, I just want to give a little bit. That way our face matches. As you can tell, that already made me look 10 times better than I did before. Not that I looked bad before, but it just helps. And as you can see, everything is super evenly blended. You can't really tell that I have product on my face, and that's what we want. We don't want to look like we have product on our face, but we don't want to look like we are about to be buried 6 feet under, sister. Okay. That's why I like to do my circular motion technique, because it really feathers everything out, blends everything together, and gives everything a really natural effect. Okay, moving on. I just want to quickly set everything. So I'm just going to take a MAC, this is an NC25 MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm going to go in with my same brush, swirl a little bit, and I'm just going to do the same circular motions everywhere. As you can tell, it just sets everything in place, not adding too much. So instead of giving myself a full-on brow, which you can do that if that's something that you want to do, if you do like to if you feel like you can't go anywhere without brows, I know some people are like that, and I totally understand. If that's something you want to do, you can. But for me, I am already in general more of a natural brow type of gal. And so instead of putting on any heavy brow product, I will just take the 3D Brow Tones by Benefit. This is in the shade 4. Okay, and what this is it's supposed to be like subtle brow highlights, like a gel that adds subtle highlights to your brow is what it claims to be. I'm just gonna run it through for some extra dimension in my brows, and to kind of like coat them, just to give them a little bit of oomph. And as you can tell, just lightly add something when you don't want to put anything on them. And voila, just gives a little bit of something. So instead of, I'm not gonna do any lashes today, that's a given. I don't feel the need to do any of that. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing any lashes today, but I am gonna be curling and using some mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This is the mint green tube. I really like it. It's very, very inexpensive. My lashes are little boy lashes now since I got lash extensions one time. So I just coat them with some mascara, give them a little curl and coat them with some mascara just to give them a little bit of something because I don't want to put lashes on. Okay, there we go, just a little bit of mascara, just to add a little bit of oomph to the eyes. Super light pink blush just to add some dimension back to my cheeks because I'm wearing such a pink outfit. Like, I don't want my face to look flat. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Dandelion by Benefit. Bringing a little bit of life back into me. And what I'll do after I do that is I'll take a big foundation brush, nothing on it, and I'll just pat over it so that I'm blending. Making it look super natural. Okay. All right, guys, the only other thing I would do to this look is add some chapstick on. My lips are super dry right now, but once I'm done filming this, I will go and put some Neosporin on them because they're really dry and cracked. I just gotta find it. I don't know where it's at, but that's a pro tip, Neosporin on the cracked parts of your lips. So yeah, this is the finished look. This is my makeup when I'm sick routine. I know a lot of people are like, why do you even bother to put makeup on when you're sick? But I have places to go and I don't want to look like I'm dying and I want to feel good about myself even though I feel really bad inside. That makes sense because I'm sick. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see below. I hope you all had a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm excited to share my next video with you. Just bear with me as I'm getting better. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another video with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!